Okay, right. So our first word for today. The first word for today is, can you read it? Data or data. I say data if you say data. So what is data? Do you know?
The sample data.
Ah, right. Yeah, so computers can hold data and phones can hold data. What data means? Data is information, especially scientific information, science information. So, do you do science at school? Do you do experiments at school?
Like magnets.
Yeah, okay. So you do things with magnets. Do you have to write down the information when you do the experiment?
Yes.
Okay. So that information you wrote down, what's that called?
Information.
Yeah, what you write down when you do an experiment. That is
Data.
data. That's it. Okay. Our next word.
Detect.
Detect, yes. So detect means to notice something or find something that is hidden. Have you ever seen people walk around the beach with a metal tool?
I don't see, but I see in Netflix, I see this in I don't see in YouTubers.
Right. So you can see this on TV, or sometimes you can see it at the beach. People use this tool. What is he doing? What is he looking for?
I think they're looking for a jewels or.
Yeah. Well, I think money. Looking for metal money. So this is called a metal detector. It finds money. It finds metal things. It detects metal things. So to detect is find something hidden. Okay. Next.
Foundation.
Foundation, right? Foundation. So foundation is part of a building, part of a house. It's put under the building or under the house to make it more strong. So it can be bricks or metal under a building. So if there's an earthquake, then the foundation will protect the building. If the foundation is very big, very strong, the building will not shake. If the foundation is not strong, the building will shake a lot. Okay. Our next word is, can you read this word?
Laboratory.
Yeah. We also say lab for short.
I think I know the word. I think it is some place when we do science.
Place for scientific research. Place where you do science, yes. Place you do experiments. Okay. Our next word.
Massive.
What is massive?
Big.
Very big, yes. Okay. Massive can be an amount, a big amount. If somebody gives you 500 chocolate bars, whoa, 500, that's a massive amount. That's a lot. Right. Our next word.
Precise.
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 Precise is when you are measuring something. A precise measurement is a very good measurement. So, for example, if we say, how long is this? How long is the stapler? And I just look at it and I say, I don't know, maybe 5 centimeters. That is not precise, that is a guess. But if we use a ruler or a tape measure, if we use something like this and we measure it, that is precise. We know, oh, it's 3.21 centimeters. That's a precise measurement, a good measurement. So we can say precise means good measurement. Okay, next. I think you know this word.
Random.
Yeah, what is random?
Something we don't know, but something if we like buy something random, it can be bad or good.
Right, so you don't know before it happens. That means you can't predict. What does predict mean? Do you know what predict means?
Yes.
Yeah.
We don't know really. We don't know, but we just guessing.
Right, guessing. Like predicting the weather, guessing the weather.
But what predict is like little bit.
It's not a total guess. It's what we call an educated guess. You don't know 100%, but you're guessing with a maybe 50%, 60% chance. Okay. Our next word.
Schedule.
Schedule. What is a schedule?
A schedule is something we have to do, and we have to do something and write something.
Kind of. So the important thing about schedule is that it is set in time. When you have something you have to do on schedule, you have to do it at a time or before a time. Today's schedule is English, 3 to 4 p.m. So it's set in time. Okay. Our next word?
Track.
Track. Yes. The verb track.
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, so track means you follow it over time. You measure it over time. So if you track the weather, then every day, oh, today it's Monday, 30 degrees. Oh, today it's Tuesday, 32 degrees. Oh, today it's Wednesday, 31 degrees. You measure every day, measure over time. That's tracking. Okay, and is this the last word? Yes, last word. Okay, our last word is
Zone.
zone. Yes. Do you know? Do you remember we learned sector before? You might have forgotten.
I know, but I forget the meaning.
Okay, so zone is like sector. Zone is a place, an area, or part of an area. So a zone can be one part of a city. A zone can be one part of a school. A zone can be one part of a country. It is a part of a place. So some places are divided into zones. So if you go to your school, maybe you see a sign. Maybe you see a no smoking sign. Yeah. Maybe you see these signs near your school.
And my apartment.
At your apartment too, okay. So around schools, around apartments, around subway stations, you can see these signs that say, this area is a no smoking zone. So if you walk away, you can smoke. If you come close, you can't smoke. This zone is a no smoking zone. This place is a no smoking zone.
I just see in Korean, not English.
Hmm?
Like that, no smoking zone. I just see Korean words, not like English words.
I see. Probably because most of the people who smoke in South Korea are South Koreans, so I guess you won't see it in English here. In Itaewon, you might see it in English. If you go to Itaewon, because there's a lot of English speakers there. Okay, great. I'll turn this on.